magic thing? Merry Christmas, Olivia. Oh no, you got a marshmallow stuck to your lip.
It's marshmallowy.
Is it marshmallowy? What are you writing to Santa, Olivia?
Something special.
Something special?
And then it was something really special.
you guys, look at this. You excited about your new toy, baby? Good morning, friends, and happy Christmas. As you guys saw, we had a really lovely morning, and now we're making some pancakes. Liv has asked for banana pancakes with sprinkles. So that's what we're making this morning. I'll leave my banana pancake recipe down below. I've made them for the channel several times, but they're delicious. I love them. If this is content that you guys like to see, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Don't forget, a little like goes a long way in the YouTube algorithm, and this girl so appreciates it. If you hit that notification bell, you'll never miss another video with this girl right here, because it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. And let's make some banana pancakes, and I'm so excited. I was gonna stop the vlog today, but there's gonna be snow really close by, so I think I might take you guys along and show you guys some snow adventures tomorrow. So hang tight, there's gonna be some snow adventures tomorrow. It's gonna be so much fun. Let's make some pancakes.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
What? You thought that was the moon? What is it?
It's Mars.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day